Meaning of ecocide.
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 Ecocide. Ecocide refers to the extensive damage or destruction of the natural environment, often caused by humans. The consequences of ecocide can be devastating, leading to the loss of biodiversity, deforestation, and pollution of air, water, and soil. Ecocide can also result in climate change, extreme weather patterns, and the displacement of communities. The effects of ecocide can be long-lasting, affecting not only the current generation but also future generations. It is a serious issue that requires urgent action to prevent further damage to the environment and protect the planet for future generations.